Hello,
Hello,
I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We're sisters in stitches and sisters in real life, and this is Debbie's 14th stitch fix.
Is it really?
Yeah,
Oh, man.
fix number 14.
So my last stitch fix, I got or maybe the one, but it was the last one.
It was, yeah.
I got a rose-colored cargo jacket, and I was toying with keeping it, but then I thought in my head, for almost $80, a pink jacket. Cindy might wear it all the time, but I wouldn't. So I sent it back, even though I liked the way it fit me and I liked the jacket. And in my comments to Megumi, I said, you know, if this was in a neutral or a gray, I would keep it. So guess what? She sent it in a gray. And I love this coat. I wore it all day today.
It's a really nice suede, and it's really
not suede.
stretchy. No, I said a nice weight.
Oh yeah, it's got a nice weight,
And look,
but it's not too heavy.
No, and it's got some stretch to it.
And I like
nice.
it because if you're just running in and out, you can just snap a couple snaps. Otherwise, if it's really cold, you can zip it. And it also has a cinch waist, so I can tie it tight around my waist if I wanted to. It does have, the only thing it doesn't have is a removable hood. But, so I was kind of bummed about that, but I'm taking this over to Europe, and they say it could be rainy there, so I'd be pulling this up over my head anyway, so I did keep it. I really, really liked it, so nice job on that, Megumi.
This is by Eden Society, called the Holly Contrast Hooded Cargo Jacket in dark gray, size XXL for $78.
Yeah, so
nice.
The next shirt that came was a pale sky.
Pale sky.
It's a very thin, like, boho top. One of my problems with it is the elastic sleeves. I don't like elastic sleeves.
I thought the front of it was very flattering on
I
her,
think it's a pretty print. I like the, I love the play on the blue and the white colors.
Wouldn't these be pretty plates?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it kind of reminds me of. But it fit me well, but I just bought a Daniel Rain in the same colors.
Yeah, really similar.
And so for that reason, I probably won't keep this just because I just spent quite a bit on the Daniel Rain. So, and I don't need two blue and white boho shirts. So for that reason, I'm actually gonna send it back.
This is the Aimley split neck top in off-white, size XXL for $68.
Yeah. So for that price, like my Daniel Rain was right up there around that too. So the next thing that I tried on was, okay, this color and we don't do well together. If this was a lip color maybe, but not laying across my body. So this I was very disappointed in. I didn't like anything about this shirt. Nothing, not one thing. So,
well, let me tell you what I liked about the shirt. I like the split back. I think it's very flattering.
Yeah, I didn't.
And I like the sheerness of the top. But there is, I don't think I could wear this color either. It's weird.
It's like a mauve-y. It makes me look washed out. It does nothing for me. So for that reason, this one's going back. What is the cost of this shirt?
That was the Ricky Sheer trim detail blouse in purple, size 1X.
Purple?
That's what they said.
That is not purple. That's like a washed out mauve.
And that's by Magnolia Grace.
Yeah, and then this shirt by Market Spruce. I mean, I like the colors. I'm a black and gray girl. You know that, right? And I guess I like the sleeves. The only thing on this, I hate tie-up shirts. I just don't like them. I don't like feeling something tight like that on my waist. So
I like the shirt, or the breast pocket. Is that a real pocket?
Yeah.
This is the Market Spruce Vreeland 1 pocket size knit top in off-white, size XXL for $48.
Yeah, so for $50, if it doesn't wow me, I'm not, that little Japanese girl, what's her name?
Marie Kondo.
Marie Kondo says if you pick up something and it doesn't bring you joy, you shouldn't keep it. So that shirt didn't bring me any joy. So Megumi, keep that in mind. We're looking for things that spark joy. All right, this was a cute dress.
I thought it was way too short, but that's me.
It's way too short for me too. But I thought it was cute. It had these cute little buttons down the back.
The detailing in the back was
a very
really
soft
pretty.
material.
It was very
teal
blue. They said that's navy. To me, that looks more.
It's not teal. It's not teal, but it is a blue, but not navy.
Yeah, I don't
But
know.
they also said this was purple, so
yeah. Now, I thought the dress looked cute on her. I just would be uncomfortable because it's so short. Because you just bend over and pick your purse up off the couch and you're like, yeesh.
Well, that is a way to show my undies. My Splendid undies would show in this bad boy, so maybe I'll keep it. No, if it was a little bit longer, I'd probably be interested in it because it is really cute and I like the fabric. It just is too short for me, for my age, I think. So that's going to go back. So I think for me, the only thing I'm going to keep this time in my Stitch Fix is the cargo jacket for $78, I think. I get what she was trying to do because I had told Megumi that I'm kind of getting sick of the tunic shirts. I have all tunics. I want different kinds of shirts now. And so she did try to send me some different kinds of shirts, which I appreciate. She does listen to our needs. So I think moving forward, I'm looking for more spring and summery shirts. I don't need any more sweater shirts or anything like that. I'm looking for stuff I can wear through the spring and summer now. So, and I'm going to be really picky if it doesn't bring me joy.
So the total cost of your box was $306 less 25% discount if you kept it all, which is $76.50, bringing it down to $229.50.
And for me, that's a pretty pricey box. I don't have that kind of money to spend every month on one box of clothing. So that too, hey Megumi, if you're watching, let's bring the price down a little bit.
Well, I think when summer comes, prices do go down a little bit.
Well, because the clothing is a lot small, less material, but
so.
Anyway, so that's my Stitch Fix. I'm not unhappy. I'm really excited that I got my cargo jacket. I love that jacket.
When she first got it last month, she's like, I'll never wear this. I said, I got one in my Stitch Fix last spring, I think. I wear it all the time, spring and summer. It just dresses up any outfit, and that's such a pretty gray that.
Yeah, but I think that would be way too heavy to wear in the summertime.
Yeah, mine's a little bit thin, a little bit more lightweight.
This is a little bit heavier than the one.
So you can wear that in spring and then in fall too, I think.
Yeah, spring and fall. Maybe on a cool rainy night if it's a cool night in the summertime. But it's not a summer jacket. It's heavier, and that hood, the hood kind of shows that it's a spring fall jacket.
Right.
But
yeah.
I love it anyway, Megumi. I'm gonna take it to Europe with me and wear it proudly.
All right, I think that wraps up this video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do it now.
Wait, we'll wait.
Wait, we'll wait a minute. Go ahead. Okay, good. Now that you've subscribed, you can also hit the alert button so that when we do put out a video, you'll be one of the first to see it.
Wait, we're gonna wait.
See, he doesn't like when I use my hands, so
no,
I'm gonna really
I was just gonna say no.
hand.
We're just gonna wait.
Oh, till you do. Oh, okay. Well, I'll eat some popcorn while they're doing that.
I saw you.
Okay, good. I'm glad that you pressed that. So anyway, moving forward, we are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by Easter, because when we get to 1,000, we're going to do another giveaway box. And we want to do it for Easter. So, thanks for subscribing.
Give this video a thumbs up if we made you smile.
Okay, we'll check in with you.
You should not talk when food's in your mouth.
Nobody's here.
Except all you guys. All right, I better go. She's getting crazy. Crazy, I tell ya.
Yeah, it's been a long, long day. Bye.
We'll see you soon.